Ever felt like your morning coffee just isn't hitting the mark? What if the secret to that perfect cup was as simple as swapping out your brew basket? For owners of Moccamaster brewers, specifically models KB, KBS, KBT, KBTS, and CDT, there's a replacement brew basket designed to deliver consistent, rich coffee with every pour. This isn't just any replacement part. Crafted in Europe from BPA, BPS, BPF, and phthalate-free plastics, this cone-shaped brew basket offers a manual adjust drip stop feature with 3 settings: closed, open, and half drip. That means you control the flow, tailoring the brew to your taste and ensuring no coffee goes to waste. It fits 1 0-liter and 1.25-liter Moccamaster brewers perfectly, making it a seamless upgrade for your machine. One user from the U.S. shared how this replacement finally made their Technivorm brew the perfect cup every time. They enjoy a 15-ounce mug each morning and found the original basket just wasn't quite right. After switching to this manual adjust drip stop basket, their coffee improved noticeably. The original basket still serves for larger brews, but this new one shines for daily use thanks to its precise control and durable design. If you're looking to elevate your daily coffee ritual with a reliable, easy-to-use upgrade, this Moccamaster brew basket is worth a look. It's built to last and designed to optimize your coffee's flavor by managing drip speed exactly how you want it. No more guesswork, just consistently satisfying coffee. Try it when you're ready to experience what changes when your brew basket works in harmony with your Moccamaster. Whether you're brewing a single cup or a full pot, this replacement offers the control and quality that serious coffee lovers appreciate. Make the switch and enjoy coffee that tastes like it was brewed just for you.